Hello, I'm Grant Greenstead with Vir-Clar Farms. Vir-Clar Farms is a 2,400 cow dairy located in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. This is our feed system from Trioliet. We installed this in 2018, just after we did an expansion here at Vir-Clar. During that time frame, we recognized that one of the next steps that was important to us was an improvement in our feed manufacturing. Trioliet allowed us to look at their technology and see where that might fit for our feed manufacturing needs. We make about 17 to 18 batches of feed here every day. We feed both milk cows, dry cows, and calves from this feed facility. And so we're doing about 150 tons of feed each and every day. With this technology, we've been able to really improve our precision and accuracy in manufacturing feeds and recognize significant feed cost savings in that process. We've been able to reduce our cost in manufacturing, whereby today, based on today's electrical charges, it only costs us about 27 cents a ton of feed to manufacture these feeds. Another unique feature that we've been able to really appreciate here is the support not only from our local dealer Cliffs, but also from Trioliet itself. It's been a great system for us. It's been able to reduce our time in manufacturing feeds and really does a great job for us.